So today I have something a little different. I have this chip tile in the shower. It actually takes up 2 tiles. So I've been meaning to replace it for a while. So I'm gonna remove these 2 tiles and replace them with new ones. Never done tile before. It should be pretty easy. I don't have any tile tools, but I got a couple chisels here, a hammer. I have this DeWalt multi-tool. It's gonna help me remove the grout. So also have this black grout and tile adhesive. So let's see how it goes. Okay, first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tape the surrounding tiles. Kind of try to protect them. All right, moment of truth, I'm gonna use this multi-tool. We're gonna get all the grout out around the edges of the broken tiles. All right, let's see how it goes. I'm gonna start by the ones on the perimeter of the ones that are already broken, just in case we made any mistakes here. So let's see how it goes. Show you how that looks here. It looks like it's working pretty good. You can see where the grout is kind of coming out. Most of the grout removed around the edges. Now I heard, what I read is drill some holes in the chip tiles and basically we'll just chisel the pieces out. So let's see how that goes. Okay, well I got the tiles removed. However, these silhouette tiles were put right onto the drywall. And now there's a nice hole right inside of my wall. A little bit of the drywall came off. So we're gonna have to repair this drywall before we can put tile on it. Cool. Okay, so I'm gonna remove this piece of drywall here because the stud is right there. So I'm gonna remove this little patch so I can secure it to the stud. So I just happen to have this little drywall kit. Just gonna use some pieces of drywall. hate drywall. That was not fun, but I've got a new piece of drywall on there. Everything's pretty smooth and flat. I think I can actually continue with the actual project here. We will get the tile adhesive on the tiles, stick them on there, and then grout them. So I think our original tile guy didn't use any spacers when he did this tile job, because these are the exact same tiles, but they would not fit. I had to keep using the multi-tool and removing more and more, like from the edges, just to get them really snug in there. Here we are, all done. Can you spot it? Well, that was a lot less simple than I thought it was gonna be. That's what always happens with little simple projects. It's definitely not perfect, but these right here, this one and this one, these are the two tiles I replaced. So I mean, they blend in pretty good. I'm happy with it. It's way better than a hole being there. So yeah, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.